Another variation of universal wrenches that we offer is a tension sleeve. A tension sleeve was devised as a way to help an operator keep the socket in position as they're reaching for a fastener. An example, a fastener is hidden back between like a turbo mount on an engine or in a recessed area, and the operator has to come in on an angle, and without the tension sleeve, the socket tends to droop, and it's tough for them to get on because the socket will be falling free. So we devised what is known as a tension sleeve, which once the socket is put on an angle, it interferes with the shoulder of the socket, holds the socket in position, allowing the operator to get onto the fastener. When they start to run it, it clicks off, and it will also run at an angle as required. We offer another variation to the sleeve where there is a reduced area for clearance. We offer an internal tension spring, which is another option that we can spec, and there's actually a spring that is inserted in the back of the socket during assembly, which will also hold the socket in position, allowing the operator to come in on an angle, engage the socket, and then begin driving.